After a long wait, we are excited to announce that the Xiaomi 13 Pro has taken the prestigious gold medal for the best overall Xiaomi phone on the market in 2023. This flagship phone is the game changer, delivering high performance and luxury construction that surpasses any Xiaomi device that come before it. The Ligia-tuned cameras are exceptional, while the battery life and fast charging capabilities are impressive. The only downside is the MIUI software that powers the phone, which has its quirks that you need to tolerate. The exterior of the smartphone has been crafted from high-quality material from the top to bottom and front and back. The aluminum frame of the Xiaomi 13 Pro excluded between a beautiful ceramic black panel, a large 6.73-inch Gorilla Glass Victor screen with an ITPU AMOLED panel. This phone has a sharp VK HD Plus resolution, a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling, and a peak brightness of 1900 nits. Device buttons and ports making it easy accessible, and the volume rocker power button and a SIM tray you all located where you didn't expect that to be. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor powers the phone, coupled with a whopping 12GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in storage. Photographers are meant to love the 1-inch megapixel primary sensor, 50MP telephoto and 50MP ultra-wide lens, all covered by Ligia fingerprint technology. The Xiaomi 13 Pro also boasts a 32MP selfie camera in the central hole of the front. Battery life will never be a problem as the phone features incredibly fast charging capabilities with supportive 120V hypercharged wired power, and you will also find a priority charger included in the box that can be charged the phone to full in just 19 minutes. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is the first phone outside China with Ligia optical lens featuring a new punch that's unmatched. The phone's three lenses support two different photographic styles, like aesthetic and like a vibrant, offering users the chance to choose between a more accurate representation of scene or increased saturation to achieve the famous Ligia look. Finally, if you love making videos, the Xiaomi 13 Pro has no shortage of features to explore. You can record up to 8K videos 24fps from the primary sensor, or 4K at up to 60fps, both of which are excellent in quality. Overall, the model delivers top-level performance at the unbeatable price. Quality ratio, you want it best and you got it. So that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.